everyone! I'm here again to cook for you. Today, I prepare a beef slice. This is a beef which I want to cook soup with the carrots and green carrots. So this is a special soup of the day. First, I have to boil this. I just boil it into a whole, then maybe later I can cut them into a small cubes. So first, this is 1/3, yeah, just 1/3 of this. So I have to bring a boil. Okay, then I have to put them immediately. Okay. The beef soup, which I used to add this spring onion and this white onion. So let it boil before I will add this spring onion and this round onion, a white one, with I just using into half. Okay, and just cut into like this, then just to separate those. Okay, so I can just use this so that it will not spread, it will not separate it. Just throw it this, okay, just like this. Oh, I break it. Okay, just like this. And then I have to prepare for this black pepper. So we have to wait. And then boiling. Let the beef boiling first. And while we waiting to boil, I have to peeling this. This is a very fresh carrots. Look at this, it still have the earth around the carrots. It's very fresh one. Okay. And I have a green carrot. This is a yummy, but we don't need to use them all. I think just half. This is a very strong flavor and very fresh one. Look at this. So I just to peel it. Okay. It's very nice one. It's also a green inside. So let me wash. I need to wash also this one. Still not boiled yet. So let me cut this first. Okay. Just cut into a small slice. Can be like this, or you can cut them like this. Or just like this, it's okay. And this I have to add it. So just let it boil a little bit, and this one I have to continue cutting into cubes. Okay. This. So 1 carrot is just enough. Okay, and I have to add this carrots, Okay. And I add a little bit black pepper. And salt. And I have to cover it so that the soup can cook within 15 minutes only. So this is my favorite cooking at this time. So you have to set it up into a cook. So let it boil till you hear the sounds, then reduce the heat. Then you count from the start into 15 minutes, then done. Now it's already 15 minutes, so I have to open it. And our soup in 15 minutes, it's totally done. Look at this. It's a very nice soup. Smell good. This is look at this. It's very fast cook, and I want to take the beef so that I can slice it. Okay. The beef, it's so soft. You can do it also into the soup before you start. You can cut the beef, the meat into cubes, but it is up to you whether you want to do like that in the beginning, but it is not necessary. Okay, then I have to remove the spring onion, which I don't need now. So this is now the soup, but I can cut the beef. This is a very soft one. Look at this. When you cut it, you can put them back so that you can eat also the meat with the soup. So it is more tasty, the soup, when there is a meat inside. Look at this. And okay, I just remove all this one. I just careful with the meat, which is very soft, so that it will not damage my cube slice. Okay. You know what, if you cook the meat into whole, it's a different taste from the one you slice into cube first, or the whole one cooking into soup. That is a quite different taste. So that is your choice, whether you have to cut it before you cook or just leave the meat whole. So you can try the different tastes. And the meat is still, it's keep the taste until cook. So you can do the way you like, but all in all, after cooking, it's soft enough. So it is very good. Look at this. Okay, I have one more. Doesn't cut. Okay. So now I can serve you the soup in a very yummy, so good one. And this is a very yummy soup, and a clear soup which you can enjoy on your table. Look at this. And you can put into a black pepper, and this is so yummy. Look at this very yummy soup, and let me try. So yummy. Thanks for watching.